Good morning, Oyaore, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. You may have noticed that we were not online for the past 2 weeks because we had a storm that destroyed part of our house. And it went away with our lights, our Wi-Fi, our everything. Our online activity could not go on. So that's part of life, and we thank God that we're alive. Today, let's talk about nouns. We're still talking about nouns, and we'll talk about the letter H, I, and J because there are very few of nouns on that. And before we go into nouns, we're thinking of looking at children content, and we did some 2 or 3 videos some time back with this guy here. See this guy here? We did some videos with this guy, and I don't know how the reception was. So if you think we can continue with the videos for this guy and his buddies, you remember the buddies? Because we want content that can help our kids learn the Luo language. So we are still looking at ways of doing the content. Or if you have a way, you have an idea, please email the idea to us on this email right here. And then we can consider doing that. And who knows, maybe our kids will learn Luo better. So these are my guys. Expect them anytime soon if you tell me that we could go on with them. If not, then it's okay. And those who've been asking where Nikki is, she's self-quarantining with Otunganyi or Tungomaro. By the way, how do you call a mask in your language? Tungomaro. Anyway, let us go on. Luo words that start with the letter I. H is, the first one is Hema. Hema. And Hema is not really a Luo word. It's a Swahili word which has been Luonized. Hema, plural is Hembe. Hembe, and Hema means tent. Then Higa. Higa. Higa means year. And Higni. 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 So Higa can mean year or age. Then Hono. Hono. Hono means miracle. Honde. Honde. Or honni. Honni. Or honde. That's the plural. Each. I. The letters that start with I. Each. Each is the stomach. Iye. Iye. Im. Now, some im is spelled Y-I-M and I-M, like here. But you can say im or yim. And the plural is Hembe. Hembe. Im is a ram, a male, huge male ram. That's yim. For J, there is just one, Jasigu. Jasigu. Jasigu is an enemy. And the plural is Wasigu. Wasigu. Good. I hope you learned something from this video. And please let us know about these kids here. And we shall incorporate them in our video because we want to develop some children content. And we want to see what else can work for the kids because we want something that can keep the kids learning. And kids like flashy stuff like this. All right, guys, let's say already. Already.